There's nothing better than taking something old and worn out and making it new and beautiful again, especially when that involves power washing. I've been on the lookout for some outdoor chairs and I found these really old and dirty ones on Facebook Marketplace. I've seen people clean outdoor furniture with a power washer or gurney, but I've never tried it myself. Honestly, it worked so well, especially on a piece that was as detailed as this. It was actually pure joy to do this. It was so satisfying. Once all the dirt had been removed, I just put them out in the sun and let them dry, and then I gave them a sand with 240 grit sandpaper. Honestly, they came up so nicely when they were done. I can't believe they're the same chairs. Because they're going outside, it is so important to seal them properly, and I'm using Watson's specialized weatherproof varnish. The varnish brought out the beautiful natural tones of the wood and it looks so nice. I used a satin finish for a natural sheen, and it's good to know that these will be protected from the elements. I made some new sling seats using my sewing machine and some outdoor fabric, and seriously, look at these. They are so much cuter and I love them so much. These were definitely going to end up in the bin if I hadn't rescued and restored them, so I'm pretty happy with them.